On the 27th of May 2023, the Zigzag Railway met a long-awaited public reopening. Alex and I headed up to New South Wales to capture the opening weekend and go for a ride. Whilst we were there, we noticed there was a helicopter filming the first run for the day. This got me thinking, I wonder what my footage from the drone looks like compared to the helicopter. I found the heli footage online and I've put a shot-by-shot comparison in this video. Let me know if you can tell the difference in the comments and I'll reply to yours to tell you if you're right. Remember to like and subscribe to us here at Alex's Train channel so you don't miss any of our new videos when they come out. I hope you enjoy.